We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max
Hi
software.
friends. Today we will discuss about how to create and assign material in 3ds Max. Materials create greater realism in a scene. A material describes how an object reflects or transmits light. Material texture can include information from bitmap images as well as bump maps for a 3D effects. On the main toolbar, click and hold the Material Editor on Flight menu. Open the Compact Material Editor or using the shortcut M. Select a default sample slot and give a name. If you want to apply a color on the object, you must define that color from the diffuse box. For applying this color on an object, first select the object and click on the Assign Material to Selection button. Next, we discuss how to apply a texture finish. For that, first select a blank slot. Click a None button near Diffuse and select Bitmap option from the Material browser. OK. Select the required bitmap image. Open. Apply this bitmap image on the selected object by following the same procedure as color on an object. You must turn on Show Shaded Material in Viewport option for seeing this material on viewport. You can adjust the size and angle of the bitmap image. This option comes under Coordinates Rollout. Adjust the size in Tiling option. UV Adjust. Then adjust the angle in Angle option. W. Thanks for watching this video.